Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Trishina. On my channel I do home decoration and lifestyle content. If you're interested in those kind of content, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing my top Dollar Tree organization hacks for 2025, which is perfect for every room in your home, from small space storage to aesthetic solutions that look way more expensive than they are. These finds are budget friendly and functional, so I'll walk you through exactly how I use the $1.25 item to organize my kitchen, bathroom, jars, and more. Whether you are decluttering, organizing a new space, or you just love smart storage idea, this one is for you. So I just want you guys to let me know your favorite Dollar Tree hack in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more home tips on a budget. So right here I'm just showing you guys the preview, and I'm gonna start with this cabinet right here. I'm just removing the items because I'm going to place this liner that I got from Dollar Tree, of course, at the bottom. So that is what I'm going to do. Okay, guys, so this is what I call my pantry. I got this cabinet, I think from IKEA, and I'm telling you, this is the best thing that I got for the apartment. This is a small apartment, so I try my best to maximize the space, and I'm so happy I did because we don't have much cabinet space. But anyways, I got this spinnable from Dollar Tree, of course, and I'm just placing these items. Normally I use these items on a daily basis, so it would be easier for me to spin it around, and I just find it very cute. Okay, so this is my laundry area, and this is how it's been for over a year now. So I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to upgrade your laundry area. I found this foldable basket at Dollar Tree for only $1.25, and I must say it is perfect for small spaces. So I'm going to place these baskets on the shelf, and I'm just going to put any miscellaneous items in there. As you can see, I do have some things on the shelf, so I'm just going to put those things inside of the basket, just to keep it more organized. So right here I'm just taking down everything off the shelf so I can make it clear to put the baskets on there. This is super simple, you guys, and this is also rental friendly, and it keeps everything neat and organized. This is definitely a must have for your laundry room. So here I'm just putting in, the body wash and the soap, and as I said, any miscellaneous items in the basket. Before I was just lining out the baskets on the shelf, so that is what I was doing. So here I'm just placing the items in, and then I'm going to put them back on the shelf. Okay, you guys, just look at this transformation. Just getting these baskets for 125, it just transformed this laundry area, which I'm so excited about. And this is the basket that I also get from Dollar Tree. So this one, I'm just going to use it for cleaning supplies. For right now, I'm just putting this dryer sheets in there, but eventually I'll change that. I'll just put cleaning supplies. And right here, I'm just using these containers to put in the cotton swabs and also the Q-tips. And I'm going to place them in the girls' bathroom. And I just find it so cute. Like, oh my gosh, these are definitely some good acts for 2025 just to incorporate these things into your home, which is very budget friendly. Okay, so this is where I'm putting the containers. Just for now, this is temporary. So whenever I'm doing the bathroom makeover, I'm gonna get a shelf and I'm gonna place these items on there. But for now, this is where I'm gonna put it. But just think about how it's going to actually look, which I think, getting those for 125 is actually great. And this, I'm not sure what it's called, but I'm going to use it for a pencil holder just for the kids. So I'm just placing it, putting some pencils in there, and eventually I can get a few more to add other things. And right here, this is the candle holder. This is like one of the best thing that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm so in love with it. This simple thing just elevate the looks of the living room and also my coffee table. And I also got these candles from Dollar Tree as well. So I'm going to put the candles in the candle holder, and just look at that, you guys. It instantly transformed my coffee table. It looks so beautiful. Okay, so this is another item, which is the dryer rack. This is the one for the sink, which as you can see, I also have another dryer rack above the sink. But like for glass items, I like to use the one in the sink. So that's the reason why I got it. And this container, I'm going to use it for oil. When I first saw it, I'm like, yes, I'm so excited. As you can see, we normally get oil in like a big jar or a big container. So that's the reason why it's in that water bottle. So I was so happy to see this container at Dollar Tree. And I was like, oh, yes, this is definitely a steal. I might get a few more, but I just wanted to test this one out. So yeah, this is where I'm going to put my vegetable oil for now. I'm just going to place it right here because I just find it so cute. Maybe I'll move it. I'm not sure as yet, but for now, I'm just enjoying it. And maybe I'm going to go ahead and put a label on it as well. And this outlet I also got from Dollar Tree. This, instead of 2, this actually came as 6. So I just find it so good to maximize the amount of outlets within the home. So I'm just placing it right here in the outlet. So whenever I'm ready to use like any blender or a pressure cooker or anything, I can have multiple outlets at the same time. Okay, guys, so this is my vanity, which I'm so excited about the transformation here because these drawers are so messy, you guys. So these are the stackable jars that I also got from Dollar Tree, 125 each. So I'm just removing the sticker, and I'm so happy that with Dollar Tree they make it so easy to remove the sticker off the items, which that is amazing. So here I'm just stacking up these 3 jars together. For now, I'm not sure what I'm going to put in there. I might put like jewelry or my earrings. So right here, I'm just organizing, taking out the things that I don't need, and keep the things that I use on a daily basis. So these baskets I got from Dollar Tree. I got about 3 or 4 of them, but unfortunately only one could have hold in the space right there. So I just decided to use that bigger one. So here I'm just putting my headbands in there, and I'm so happy for this because I just feel like finally my drawer is organized. And I'm just putting all my headbands and my bonnets and stuff like that. And then after that, then I was like, it would be smart to put these ear ties in the stackable jar. So that would be amazing. So that is what I did next. And just look at the transformation, you guys. Something that is just simple, but it just looks so cute, looks so organized, looks so clean. I'm loving this. And that is it for today's quick home hack. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Dollar Tree finds and budget friendly home tips. See you in the next one. Loves. Bye.